Did you know? A human sneeze can travel at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour. That's right, we sneeze harder than we think. When the body tries to expel irritants from the nose, it builds up huge pressure to force air out rapidly. The droplets from a sneeze can travel up to 8 meters away, and inside those tiny droplets could be millions of germs. That's why we should always cover our mouth and nose when we sneeze, to stop germs from spreading to others. Who would have thought one little achoo could be as fast as a race car?